Now, one of the things that I find a bit annoying is the sound of sliding utensils inside my kitchen drawers when I open and close them. This non-slip shelf liner works really well to stop that, and if I've got several drawers of the same size, I cut the liner to size by first making a cardboard or plywood template. Place the template on top of the liner. Take a razor blade. And there it is. Now, in the same way that the template precisely fits every drawer, so does the piece of material that I cut from it. But I still find that it's possible to get some wrinkles in here. So I like to take one additional step. I put a light coating of spray adhesive on the back of the liner, just a little bit. Then, while it's still tacky, I drop it into the drawer. There we go. No slip, no slide, and best of all, no noise.